Coming up in this video,
Strawberries are not by any chance common for growing here in Jamaica. This is how they look the next day, and this is how they look 1 week after.
so I've decided to take you a trip down memory lane where it all started. This will be a series, possibly up to 7 days. See where I'm coming from and where I'm at now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all.
Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacey, another in the series One Day in My Garden. What do gardeners do in the garden? So I will be changing around almost everything to get it in a way that I am more comfortable with in terms of what goes where, and just make sure the companion planting I'll be doing will be highly beneficial to each plant. So this is my second time ordering strawberry bare roots off of Amazon. I bought some few years ago, but they are no longer. No fault of theirs, but it is what it is. I got a few harvests and I enjoyed it. So I want to grow them again. If you're interested in them, check out the link to them in my description. I do get a small commission if you use my link to buy them at no cost to you. Everything is intact and looking good. I am so pleased. So now, I am putting them to soak before I plant them. The instructions are there for you to follow. I am planting them under the table in my garden to take off some of the direct sun off them. For those who don't know, strawberries are not by any chance common for growing here in Jamaica. This is how they look the next day, and this is how they look 1 week after. I am getting rid of all my tomato plants. I have no idea what got to them while left unattended, but that is that. I decided to propagate a few cuttings. In other words, catch a few cuttings. Catch, English word, catch. In Jamaica, we say catch.
Instead of always saying propagate.
My sweet potato harvest is coming up. Can't believe I'm nervous for that, but I do hope I'll get an harvest. I am getting a few slips so I can put in water to root in the meantime. I think I'll grow them in bags this time. Now I am pulling up all my marigolds or marigolds, and I am going to put them together in one location. They grew so tall, more than I anticipated, and so more of my thing look neat, not unbalanced. The idea that came to me is to plant them in one of the chairs, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. I think I'm going to change the chair colors though. So I'm putting up the corns right here. Them look wishy-washy, so I decided, you know what? I'm not going to wait on them. Not everything will go the way we want to go in the garden. So I'm cutting off some of these sugarcane leaves. Man, they are cutting me up. Pulling up the beans, not sure I'll plant them back or plant some different ones. But let me put them in water just in case. This is where I'll be putting my marigolds. And no, I'm not crazy transplanting well-established plants. But let's just say I'm adventurous in my garden. I've done it before, so I know it can work. And that's why I put them in water right away. I'll just keep them moist and see what happens. This is what they look like now. Can they maintain this look? Well, let's see. So now I am uprooting the tomato plants. Not a complete fail because I've gotten tomatoes from them and I am not even trying to figure out what happened. Like I said, it is what it is. I will be pulling up the zinnias in my garden and put them over here in this chair. May or may not work because they are well-established plants, but how will I know? Let's take out the chairs for spray painting. Pulling out the rest of beans I have right here. This is what the chairs look like now. So I'm putting one of them over the marigolds like I said before. A bit of a struggle, but I managed. So gathering all the things I need to sort out this little section here. Doesn't look that way, but quite a few things to get done. Let's begin. Catching water in this cup to put my peanut plants in. I need to move few of them to line up with the others because I have other plants for this space. First time growing peanut, don't know if it can be done at this stage, but I'm in for an experiment. I see baby peanuts. I have some onion seedlings here I am taking out as well. Now potting up these pepper seedlings until I decide where I want to put them. Still trying to figure out that. Getting all my Thai peppers, I'm about to move those 3 plants as well. So I'm about to amend the soil with some chicken manure. Yep, this is some good shit right here. Mixing it in right now. I am replanting the peanuts now. I have some more onion seedlings to uproot on this side and 2 broccoli seedlings as well. So let's get them. I'm about to transplant all my sweet corns. The younger ones I'll do another day. Putting back the chair to make sure I plant them within that space. Getting the ones over here too. Time to uproot the zinnias and plant them here. Let's put the chair over them now.
Catch me tomorrow for another in the series. 7 p.m. Jamaican time. See you then. Walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.